In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to available coupons on Alibaba. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your coupons inside your account and how to review them so you never miss a discount. Start by opening your browser and going to Alibaba.com. I recommend using a desktop browser for the clearest layout, but the steps are the same on most devices. Make sure you're on the official website before you continue. Next, log into your account. Look toward the top right of the page for the sign-in option and enter your credentials securely. For privacy and security, never share your login details and avoid signing in on public or untrusted devices. Once you're signed in as a buyer, you'll have access to the tools we need. Now click on your profile icon or name in the top right corner. This opens a menu with your account controls. From that menu, select My Alibaba. Think of My Alibaba as your personal control center. This is where your orders, messages, and rewards are organized in one place. You'll land on your dashboard. The dashboard gives you a quick overview of your account activity, and it's also where the coupons area appears. Depending on your region or interface updates, it might be labeled as coupons, vouchers, or something similar, but it will be easy to spot. Here you can see the coupons available to you at a glance. You'll typically find the coupon value, any minimum order requirement, the applicable categories or stores, and the expiration date. Keep an eye on those details, especially the expiry and any restrictions, so you know exactly when and where a coupon can be used. Click on the coupon section to open the full coupon list page. This takes you to a more detailed view where you can manage and review your savings in one place. On this page, you'll see tabs for available, used, and expired. Available shows the coupons you can still apply, with their terms clearly listed. Use keeps a record of the coupons you've already redeemed, which is helpful for tracking past savings. Expired lists offers that have timed out so you can identify patterns and be quicker next time. As you review, note that some coupons are seller specific, may require a minimum purchase, or apply only to certain products or categories. Also remember that start and end times can be based on a specific time zone. That's it. Go to Alibaba.com, log in, open your profile, select My Alibaba, check your dashboard for coupons, click through to the coupon page, and review the available, used, and expired tabs. Make it a habit to check this area regularly so you can catch new offers before they expire. Happy saving!